It's time for a showroom update. The front room of our production facility has a fresh coat of paint, and now it's time to put together the showroom fixtures. To start with, we need some cabinetry. Come along as we visit our neighbors at Lester Building Supply. Let's step in to meet their staff.
My name is Gene Clark, General Manager, Lester Building Supply, Southern State, here locally in Martinsville, Virginia. We are a full retailer, professional builder, supply chain. We go over and above to make sure that we are servicing the community to the best of our ability. We have very knowledgeable, trained, and experienced personnel. Stop by, shop local, shop Lester Building Supply.
During our visit, we explored their cabinetry showroom to see all of the available options, browse the colors, and see features available. Roll-out trash cans are a popular feature, and we love these roll-out drawers so that you can easily see what's in the back of your cabinet. KraftMaid offers a wonderful soft close feature to keep your drawers from slamming shut. You can get specialty inserts like this knife block. This rollout caddy is perfect for storing oils and spices next to your cooking area. Storage is fully customizable when you use this modular peg system. We know that we're going to use a KraftMaid cabinetry system, so be sure to follow to see which style, colors, and features we pick out. Which features are your favorite? Tell us in the comments, and we'll see you soon.